A blinking white light on your Rogers Wi-Fi pod indicates it's either in pairing mode or experiencing connectivity issues. It's part of Rogers' mesh network system designed to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones in your home. A solid white light confirms successful integration. The most common causes are pairing difficulties, poor placement, and backhaul problems. First, ensure the pod is within 10 meters of your Rogers Ignite gateway and follow the Add Pod instructions in the Rogers Ignite app. Next, optimize placement by positioning the pod centrally, avoiding obstructions, and maintaining line of sight to the gateway. Distances of 15 to 30 meters are optimal. Finally, check your backhaul connection. Wireless is default, but Ethernet wired backhaul is more reliable. If wireless, use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to ensure a strong signal, aiming for minus 60 dBm or better. Power cycling the pod by unplugging for 30 seconds is a good first step. If issues persist, consider a factory reset. For persistent issues in dense urban environments, Ethernet backhaul is often the best solution.